Welcome to the ArmaniTalks podcast. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this podcast, I'm helping you level up your 5 soft skills: public speaking, storytelling, social dynamics, emotional intelligence, and creativity. 5 soft skills for you to change your life forever, to skyrocket your confidence along the way. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the beauty of giving people a tour at your house. Whenever people are first coming to your house, you want to give them a tour. You want to make sure that all parts of your house are clean so you can give them that tour. There have been a couple of times I went to these big houses and I would ask the house owner, "Can I get a tour?" And they would say, "No, man, I unfortunately can't do that because upstairs it's messy." And that's when I felt antsy. I thought, I really want to see upstairs because this is such a nice spot. Whenever you're giving people a tour, you're not only giving them a tour of your physical spot, you're also giving them a peek into your lifestyle. This past weekend, there were plenty of people from out of town that came to my house for the first time. And as I was giving them the tour, they were amazed. When they saw my YouTube studio, they were like, "Wow, this place is beautiful, man. What made you design it like this?" And that's when I told them. I even decided to have some fun with them, and I said, "Yo, sit down. Let's have you record a video right now. Maybe I will upload it onto my YouTube channel." Obviously, I was joking, but it was a fun moment for people to participate with my YouTube studio. They also checked out my library. They checked out the master bedroom, and after the tour, they felt like they knew me better. So whenever people are coming to your place for the first time, you want to suggest giving them a tour. Because chances are, mentally, they want the tour, but they feel nervous to bring it up to you. You design the place so nice, so make sure you clean up whenever you're having guests over so other people can check out your beautiful design. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.